Welcome to the channel. My name is Francisco. This is the Medellin Living Real Estate YouTube channel. Today we're in the neighborhood of Laureles. More specifically, we are in Estadio, and stick around towards the end of the video and I'll show you exactly where we are on the map. But walking into this property, it is 83 square meters of space. It is a 2-bedroom apartment with 2 full bathrooms. You'll get a view of the neighborhood of where you are, and you can tell right away it has that like Colombian charm, that Colombian neighborhood feel to it. This property offers practical layout, and also you're on the 2nd floor, and this building has no elevators, so it is a flight of stairs to walk up, but it's nothing crazy. It's manageable. It's not brutal. So if you can manage just 1 flight of stairs, I think this property is a great option for you, especially if you like to minimize your monthly expenses, because with this property you have 0 HOA fees. So we'll walk into the master bedroom here in a minute. Again, it's a 2-bedroom apartment with 2 full bathrooms. You just saw the first one, and this is a pretty sizable master bedroom. I think you could put a king size bed here. Maybe this apartment does need a few upgrades, but again, there's 0 monthly fees here with 0 HOA fees, and I think this is a great option for buyers that are looking for long-term value, especially being so close to the stadium here in Laureles. So I'll let you guys finish the rest of this video tour, and then I'll go show you exactly where on the map this is located. All right, so here's the property listing on our website. If you guys do want to check out our website, then go to MedellinLivingRealEstate.com. Also, all of this information about this property will be listed down below in the description. So let me scroll down on the page here and I'll show you where we are on the map. So here's the indicator. And if I zoom in, we're on Calle 48A. And then going south, we have Calle 48. And then you have 2 lanes right here. That's actually the metro line, and you're close to 2 metro stations. I'll show you that on Google Maps. And also this big patch of green area, that's the stadium. So let me go show you on Google Maps a little more in-depth look of where we are. You have the red indicator right here. This is the apartment building. East of you, just 10 minutes walking distance, is the Suramericana station. And this is line B, by the way, of the metro line. It's line B. And west of you, if we go a little bit west, a little bit farther walking, but it's all flat, so don't worry about that. It's the Estadio station, the stadium station. So you have 2 metro lines right there for easy access of transportation to get around the city. Also, what you have close to you, which is actually walking distance, is Carrera La 70th Street. If you don't know what 70th Street is in Laureles, that is the nightlife, and it's this street right here. If you can see my cursor going over it, Carrera 70, that is 70th Street. That's where all the restaurants are. That's where are the clubs and the bars to go out. So that's the nightlife of Laureles right here. And what else you have nearby is the Jumbo Market. So you have a supermarket just right across the little stream here across the metro line. You also have another supermarket called Macro. And then finally, what I love about this area is actually what you have is the stadium, right? If you love soccer, then this is where all of the games are held, at the stadium over here. Both Nacional and Medellin play there. Also, Medellin does have a basketball team, and that's where they play their basketball games here in the stadium. And you can come to the stadium and do any kind of fitness that you want. They have a lot of great programs as well. And also on Sundays, they actually close down the streets that are around the stadium, and it's this giant circle that they close it down, and you can walk around the stadium on Sundays. That's the Ciclovia over here in Laureles, and they also have like Zumba classes or, a bunch of other classes going on Sunday mornings. So, you're in a great area. Again, I think this is a property that is great for someone that wants to be in Laureles and that also wants to have low monthly expenses, because remember, there is no HOA fees here. in this apartment in Estadio Laureles. All right, that wraps it up for this video. If you guys are interested in this apartment and you guys want to go take a look at it, or maybe you're interested in something totally different and you want to look maybe in El Poblado or Envigado, or maybe you saw something on someone else's website and you want to work with us, then go ahead and fill out our buyer's form. The link is down below in the description. Fill out the form and someone on our team will contact you as soon as possible, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.